Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will explain how to enjoy Crunchyroll content with your friends. The process is quite straightforward, so just follow along. To begin, head over to the website watchparty.me. This platform allows you to share your screen and invite others. Before we start, you must disable hardware acceleration in your browser settings to prevent a black screen during the stream. Click the three dots in the corner, select Settings, then navigate to System. Toggle off the hardware acceleration option and hit Relaunch to restart your browser. Once Chrome reopens, return to Watch Party and create a new room. Next, click on the Screen Share button. Choose Start Screen Share and select the specific browser tab where Crunchyroll is open. Make sure the Share tab audio box is checked before clicking Share. You are now broadcasting your screen. You can start playing any anime you like, and your friends will be able to see it. To bring them in, click the plus icon to find your invitation link. Copy this URL and send it to them through Discord, WhatsApp, or any other messaging app. Thanks for tuning in. If this tutorial helped you out, please like the video and subscribe for more content. See you in the next one.